Let me just share my screen. Is it visible? Can you confirm?
Yes, visible.
Perfect. So yes, thank you for the invitation and for the tonight's organization. Everything is so far running very smooth. So I'm very glad to be part of this community and of part of this code today. So I'm going to introduce to you CloudSigma, our solutions, our presence, and our rich experience within the research community. And this is the map of CloudSigma and our vocations that we currently support to and will provide to the Docker community. There are 5 of them, and for Norway, it will be in Boden, in Sweden. Basically, in CloudSigma, we have more than 10 years of experience. We are pure infrastructure as a service provider with focus on flexibility and performance. Originally, the cloud was built in Switzerland, but then spread around the world with more than 15 locations worldwide. Something important, we have a direct connectivity to Giant and to D6 as well. A few numbers, the SOA I saw in the previous providers was not 100%. In CloudSigma, it is 100% SOA, service level agreement. So we take full care of our users, our clients, as well as the research institutes and organizations and companies that are working in our cloud. The server creation is very quick, around 15 seconds is my personal view. And something also very important is our customer support team. They are level 2 technical support and they are completely free. On top of that, you have a granted account manager for CloudSigma who will take care of your resources, of your questions, as well as the support team. It is a very good team, both of them. These are the certificates, the compliances that we have to certify every year. They're all up to date, and we are also fully GDPR compliant for the regions of the Ukraine, for sure. Let's speak about the capabilities. First of all, I will stress on the flexibility and neutrality. There are no standard server sizes, no packages like the other competitors and cloud providers. So you have the whole freedom to build up your machines and start using them in the cloud without any restrictions. This is the no vendor lock-in. We have a very high compatibility with any software, tools, applications. You can run them unmodified in CloudSigma. There is a high on-demand scalability. You can scale up, upgrade your machines instantly, as well as the storage, the CPU, the RAM. And of course, there is a one-to-one migration tool that is available to everyone. You can easily and very quickly migrate from any cloud to ours because it is a KVM hypervisor and it is neutral. So this means everyone can deploy in CloudSigma very quickly. Also, with the help of support and the account manager, it will be in a matter of a few hours or 1 day to 1-2 days to do everything. Then for the community of Giant, we have direct peering, which I already mentioned, SML2 authentication, a very nice access control lists where you can dedicate specific restrictions or specific tasks to any people of your department. And there is a very low-cost repository available to store any big volumes of research data. We also have experience with Sentinel-1 and Copernicus, and we have a lot of Sentinel-1 images. There is an automated download process, how you can, for example, download any Sentinel images from the Copernicus hub. So our object storage repository is exactly for this, to help the researchers to store big data volumes, no matter from where it is available for them. The rest of the solutions I already mentioned, the 24/7 support level 2, completely free and available account managers with German and English speaking guys. There is a very nice and generous free proof of concept trial for everyone that wants to test the cloud and the solutions. It is completely free and it can be onboarded within hours. So in this, we are also very fast. And the solutions, I will go quickly through them. Of course, we have the full infrastructure service spectrum from dedicated infrastructure to public cloud. This is the hybrid cloud infrastructure, how it looks like from CloudSigma's perspective. There is also virtual private cloud scenarios for organizations and community and institutions which require such solution. It is in place. We have the disaster recovery as a service. This is the highest possible redundancy available in the cloud. And we have our own tool, which is available for everyone and very easy to be used. So all of our clients are very well taken care of. Several platform as a service solutions like virtual scaling, WordPress, Kubernetes, database, and several others. And a few giant use cases. These are some of the industry leaders that trust our code for more than 5-6 years. We have CERN, European Space Agency, Planetech in Italy, TerraDue, Quadio, Siemens, EMBL. So we have with most of them different projects that are successfully passed or still currently in process. But we also have some academic partners. Not all of them are put here, but several. Again, a lot of collaboration in the past for different research projects and even now. Research departments is one use case where unplanned ad hoc ICT capacity requirements from various research projects and facilities were a challenge, as well as the security concerns, but CloudSigma succeeded to provide several solutions with cost-effective subscriptions, the giant connectivity, ISO certificates covered such challenges for our universities. This is the IMP in Leibniz. This is a very good use case, actually. Swiss Post from Switzerland, from the healthcare industry, they wanted data security and privacy, a European cloud, huge scalability, and ISO certificates, all of them covered, and they migrated to our cloud. Unilabs is another use case. The challenge was that professors needed a large number of limited cloud accounts for the students to do experiments in their IT cloud computing classes, and the accounts had to be with limited capacities. We provided testing periods, promo codes, then granted to all the professors access control lists for their students. There was no overbilling possible, and there are several success stories with Sheffield, Dublin, and Luxembourg universities. And last but not least is the Restena success story, where we had to provide high performance, flexible, and on-demand scalability of the custom machines that we have. Excellent, of course, support of level 2 and good billing solutions. And to summarize, CloudSigma is firstly gives you very good help via the support and the account managers. Secondly, you have the whole freedom to do anything in the cloud, and we're here to help you. And lastly, we have rich experience within the research industry, and you have a really good friend and knowledgeable friend in the face of CloudSigma. Thank you for the time, and I'm open to any questions.